Presenting Midea Santis Pro X with its Wi-Fi connectivity and smart operations through voice control and Midea app interface. You can connect your AC to Wi-Fi in seconds. And now, using voice commands like OK Google or Alexa, you can turn on or off your AC. Set your AC's temperature accordingly by just using your voice command. Ask Google or Alexa to set AC to different modes, or change your fan speed with just a voice command. Set timer and schedule your cooling effortlessly using Midea app. Go to your Midea app to track and optimize your power consumption. Presenting geofencing and smart alerts. Turn on your AC automatically using geofencing feature in Midea app. CRF Alert lets you know when it's time to clean the filters. Smart, effortless cooling at your fingertips with Midea air conditioners.